As we discussed in a previous video, I told that above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and we got one. Above this level we have to look for selling opportunities or buying one. We had to see whether it gives a breakout or a breakdown, but it gave a breakout, went till our next target, and then gave a resistance. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. This was a no trade zone, and this was a very volatile area. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. Since the trend is above side, we have to look for buying opportunities, and if it remains above this level, we have to look for keep buying opportunities only. Okay, if it comes below this level, then we have to see whether if it comes and remains bearish or bullish, because the trend is on the upside. So same in EURUSD, I told that below this level we have to look for selling opportunities, and we got one also in here. So I'll modify new support and resistances, and we have achieved very good whips from here till here. We have achieved 17 pips and then further 50 pips. So I'll modify new support and resistances. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. So in here we have to look for a resistance, and if it retraces, we have to look for a bearish pattern, and if it gives a breakdown, then we can look for further selling. And above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, because on weekly basis you can see it is coming down, so chances are it will give us most probably downside moves only. This is very less likely to happen. So same in GBPUSD also, I told this was a no trade zone. Above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and in here we have to look for selling opportunities, and we got one also. From here till here we have achieved easy 29 pips, and further from here till here we have achieved 48 pips. So I'll modify new support and resistances. Support and resistances have been modified, so this will be a no trade zone. It will be a no trade zone, because above this level only we will be deciding which side we have to take trade. Below this level you can look for selling opportunities if we get one. Okay, and this whole zone will be a no trade zone, and above this level we have to look for buying opportunities once we come here. Okay, chances are we won't be getting good buying opportunities because trend is on the downside. Okay, so in Bitcoin I told that below this level you have to look for selling opportunities, and in above this zone we have to take in half quantity. No trade, and it's better if you want to take in half quantity, else do scalp only. So out here 1600 points easy. So I'll modify new support and resistances. So new support and resistances have been modified. So below this level you have to look for selling opportunities. This will still remain a no trade zone, reason being it is very volatile area, and it comes below this level you can get a good opportunity, and above this level only we have to look for buying opportunities, and if it remains in this territory, better take in half quantity. So in gold I told that you have to look for scalp opportunities in this zone, and we got one also. This was a very volatile area, so I told that either take scalp opportunities or either don't trade. So we got a good scalp opportunity. So in this zone we have to take in half quantity. Analysis remains same, nothing major changes, and in here we have to see whether after resistance it gives a breakout or a breakdown. Okay, so until and unless this happens, we can still look for scalp opportunities only, and that too in half quantity. And below this level only we look for selling opportunities. If you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.